Have they expired?
I know she did.
And he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning.
Hey my besties, welcome back to a new vlog. So in today's video you are spending the evening with us. So right here is the grocery haul, or what I call the market vlog I made. Okay, I hope you guys have seen the video. So right now I want to cook some soup and stew. I'm making oha soup and stew. I'll be taking you guys along. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So come. Let Papa carry you. Papa give you chocolate. How will I know? It has not expired. How will I taste something that I don't like? Have they expired?
I know she did.
Let me see. Better you throw it away.
Yeah.
You know, see dates, it's better you throw it away. Okay, see dates here. 30th February 2024.
Okay, still
2024, yeah. Thank you, still good. Cucumber. Cucumber.
Yes.
So now right here I am pounding the ede I'm going to use to cook this. So you remember the meat water? So this is the meat water I boiled initially. So I'm just going to add the ede inside. Then I will give this a stir till the ede has totally dissolved. I also added oil inside. Okay, so here the ede has totally dissolved, like inside the soup. And after this we'll move to the next step, which is showing you guys our chicken stroke meat. I'm boiling it for the stew. And right here I want to wash the leaf, like the oha leaf I'm going to use to cook the soup. So I'm just going to wash it, the ones you guys saw me and baby girl cutting in the beginning of the video. So this is what I want to do. Then we'll keep on cooking and cleaning as a mom. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, please don't make it your last. Subscribe, like, share and comment. So I've added the leaf inside. Okay, this is what the soup looks like. The soup is almost ready. I just allow it to boil for a few seconds because I don't really like my greens to cook so well. Okay, so I like that crunchiness in my greens. And I will have a mukbang. Okay, this is the food I've eaten. This is the food I'm eating since morning. So now as I'm done eating, it's time for us to cook the stew. I first of all fry the meat and the chicken. Then I'm using the oil I used to fry the meat and the chicken to cook the stew. That's what I'll be doing right here. Thank you all so much for all the love towards this vlogmas. I really do appreciate. So inside the pot here we have our tomatoes, we have bay leaf, and we have onions. So this is what I'm going to fry first, and then after this I will add the rest of the ingredients. Sorry guys, I'm not taking you guys in the whole procedure. I was not really feeling filming this video, but I was like, why waste why waste the content? Okay, so we are doing vlogmas, everything, got to film everything, not be so nah. So all right, so I'm just going to fry this stew for the tomato for a while. And I'm also making my green juice. You guys know now we always make green juice anytime we go for big haul. So I'm also going to be making my green juice. So inside I've already added my meat. I added all the old spices you put inside your stew. Then the meat is inside. I also added this thing inside, what they call it again, green pepper. All right, I wanted the green pepper stew, and this is what the stew looks like. This stew smell and taste amazing, so as the soup. Let's make our green juice, which we have celery, we have parsley, we have spinach and cucumber, apple, and I did not have pineapple, so I used orange for this particular one, and I added ginger as well. And this is so amazing. You guys need to try. If you're not a smoothie person, you need to be a smoothie person. All this juice, all this green juice, all these things are so healthy for our health, and it pumps blood as well. So after this, I'm just going to strain, and I'll put them in my container that I will be drinking them from. So far, this is the soup and stew I made, and my green juice came out in 3 bottles, which I'll just take those for 3 days. And right now I want to mop and clean the whole place before I go have my shower, and I'll call it a night. Guys, do you know that I finished this vlog around 11 in the night? Like, motherhood, content creating, all of them is not easy. We move forward. Please do well to watch an ad, okay love? So it's kind of way to support your girl here. So I will mop and I'll go shower, and I'll give you an ending commentary. So guys, I am done washing, cleaning, cooking, everything arranged. And this auntie just open my fridge up and down. Close that fridge and keep that but go and keep it back. Go and keep it. Nyemnya. Nyemnya. So guys, I'm done. I am tired. My waist, everything is paining me. I'm so tired. Like, I want to go and shower now. Then I will sleep. Maybe I'll edit video. Sorry guys that there's no video. They have not been uploaded yet. I will try and upload video. Guys, sorry I've not uploaded any video. I've been tired. Like, I've been really busy. I've been really busy. So let me go and shower. What is it? Leave the light. Let me go and shower, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh God. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, and comment. So love. See you all in the next one. Say bye.